What is myocarditis? Myocarditis is inflammation of heart muscle, myocardium. There are many factors that can lead to myocarditis, and it can affect anyone at any age. In some cases, myocarditis causes two symptoms and resolves itself over some time. But in other cases, it can lead to serious complications such as heart failure. Cares and Cures help women achieve their body goals with ease and efficiency by helping to choose them proper meal plans and effective workouts. Do subscribe to our channel and you will see the good results in very short time. What are the symptoms of myocarditis? Some people with myocarditis have no symptoms. But if symptoms are present, they usually include the following: chest pain, a fluttering sensation in the chest, arrhythmia, shortness of breath, fatigue, dizziness, symptoms typical of an infection such as fever, muscle aches, sore throat, headache and diarrhea. If you have similar symptoms, contact your doctor. What causes myocarditis? Many different factors can lead to development of myocarditis. They include the following: viruses are the most common causes of myocarditis, and the ones that cause it include adenovirus, causes the common cold, flu viruses, hepatitis B and C, ecoviruses, cause gastrointestinal infections, Epstein-Barr virus, rubella virus, herpes, simplex virus and HIV. Fungal infections caused molds, yeast and fungi. Parasites which include Toxoplasma and Trypanosoma cruzi causes changes disease. Certain autoimmune conditions such as lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Allergic to toxic reaction to medications including antibiotic and anticonvulsants. Illegal substances such as cocaine. You can now follow me on Instagram too. What are the possible complications of myocarditis? Severe myocarditis can cause permanent damage to the heart muscle, which can lead to heart failure, heart attack or stroke, arrhythmias, sudden cardiac death. Is there a way to prevent myocarditis? There's no surefire way to prevent myocarditis, but there are measures that can reduce your risk of developing it. Avoid people who have flu-like illnesses to avoid becoming infected. Practice good hygiene, including regular hand washing. Take measures to avoid tick bites. Cover your skin when you are in wood areas and other places where ticks live, and apply repellent containing DEET. Get all recommended vaccines. The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your family and friends, and if any query, do let us know in the comments below. This video is provided for informational purpose only. The things discussed in this video may cause an allergic reaction and damage your health. Before use, consult a certified specialist. The editorial board is not responsible for any harm or other consequences that may be caused by the use of the methods, products or items mentioned in this video.